Hello investors, I'm Stuart Kruse and welcome to KAM's Momentum Wednesdays to get those momentum stocks to help you get over that midweek hump. Now, we've talked about this sector before, retail, and I've heard retail's dead. But is it? No, retail's not dead. Big store retails like Macy's, Bloomingdale's, or Neiman Marcus, those tend to be dead, but specialty stores are doing great. And retail as a category has been growing overall. Online retail sales has been growing faster, but brick and mortar retail sales has been growing at a bigger absolute number. Now, maybe not because of COVID, but prior to COVID, retail has been on fire and it continues to do so. So let's go to the charts here. Our friends at White Charts, we have up in here the S&P retail sector, and this is a one-year chart. Now, it has been studied over and over and over again that momentum tends to work on a 3 to 12 month window. So we are going to rank the constituents of the retail sector by 3, 6, and 12 months momentum and do an average ranking. So you can do it one of two ways. You can do an average return or an average ranking. So what that does is, if you use the average ranking, if it eliminates some of the big moves up, so something that has really taken off and has skewed the results, it only gets a credit for being maybe a number one rank instead of just killing the field by a mile. So you really don't want to do necessarily just an average return. We're going to do an average ranking of this return. So just to show you where we're at relative to the S&P 500, which is now in orange, retail ETF is in purple. This is a one-year chart, outperforming by almost 20%. A year to date, outperforming significantly. 6 months, look at that, over 27% it's outperforming. 3-month window, outperforming by 11%. So it is winning on a 3, 6, and 12-month number. So here are some constituents within the retail sector. I'm going to take off the S&P 500 so we can look at just the retail sector and the stocks that go with it. So let's look just year to date. Etsy, number one, 251%. Now again, remember, momentum works in your favor. So even though it seems like you're buying high, momentum tends to work. So these stocks are stocks that you should probably want to buy, especially if there's a pullback. L Brands, Signet Jeweler, Carvana, and CHWY, pet company. So here we are. Every single one of them has outperformed on a 3-month, or that's a year to date. Here's a 6-month. Here's a 3-month. A couple have underperformed on this 3 months. So Carvana and CHWY have underperformed during the short term. But again, these work from 3 months to 12 months. So going out 12 months, they have all significantly outperformed, with Etsy being the number one retail stock from a 3, 6, and 12-month standpoint. And when I've done the research, I've looked at combinations of 3, 6, 12 months, thrown in 1 month to see if that works at all. But really what I found is the best combination is using a 3, 6, and 12-month indicator, equally weighting that, and to come up with the best results. And this is what we see here, where Etsy is number one at this 3, 6, and 12 month, according to the calculations at Kruse Asset Management. So there you go. Retail's not dead. This is Stuart Kruse signing off on Momentum Wednesday and trying to help you to live your life with the odds in your favor.